Hello everyone and welcome to Voiceverse. Today we are going to talk about a tool that can be a game changer for those who struggle with writing, especially technical people. The tool is called Compose AI, an AI-based writing assistant that can help you write efficiently. In this video, we will discuss what Compose AI is, how it works, and how you can use it to improve your writing skills. What is Compose AI? Compose AI is an AI-based writing assistant that can help you write anything from articles to blog posts to emails. It uses artificial intelligence and natural language processing to generate text and improve the quality of your writing. How does it work? Compose AI is very simple to use. First, you need to install the extension on your browser, and it supports all popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Once you have installed the extension, you can start using Compose AI right away. Compose AI offers a range of features like autocomplete, rephrase, compose email, and more. Autocomplete helps you finish sentences by suggesting the next word in sentence. Rephrase allows you to write a sentence to make it more readable and engaging. Compose email helps you write emails that replies quickly and efficiently. How to use Compose AI? Let's now see how to use Compose AI. Suppose you want to write an article about ChatGPT and GPT-4. To get started, you need to open a Google document and type in /write and then add a description of what you want to write. For instance, you can write a paragraph on ChatGPT and GPT-4. Now hit enter and Compose AI will process the request and provide you with 3 paragraphs on the topic. This is just a starting point and you can modify the text to suit your needs. You can also use Compose AI to write emails quickly and efficiently. Suppose you receive an email newsletter from AI Weekly and you want to reply to it. All you need to do is click on the Compose email button and Compose AI will evaluate the email and generate a reply for you. For instance, the email newsletter might contain the information about artificial intelligence. The generated reply might look something like this. Thank you for the latest AI newsletter. I appreciate the updates on all the new contents and news related to the artificial intelligence development on Weekly AI. I'm looking forward to learning more about AI. Furthermore, Compose AI also offers a rephrase feature that allows you to modify sentences to improve their readability. For instance, if you want to rephrase a sentence, all you need to do is highlight the sentence and click on the rephrase button. Compose AI will then provide you with multiple options to choose from. In conclusion, Compose AI is a powerful tool that can help you write efficiently. It offers a range of features like autocomplete, rephrase, compose email, and more. Whether you are a writer or a technical person, Compose AI can help you improve your writing skills. So go ahead and give it a try. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on AI.